Hello everyone, welcome to my unboxing video of the Planes franchise from Disney. And in this box we have the four main characters. We have Dusty's Skippers, Chug and Longbottom. And let's open it up and see how it looks like. So this is the four of the characters out of the box, and all of them are made of metal. The quality is really good, so if you want to have a closer look at it, I'll show you this one here, especially on Dusty here. As you can see, it focus correct. Here you go. Yeah, see, the quality is really good. It's made of metal. It's very sturdy as well. Yeah, I reckon it can withstand all the kids playing with it. This one here on the Longbottom. Yeah, it's made of plastic though, the plane itself, but the body itself is actually made of metal, so the quality is really good. See the propeller function. Make a great gift for the kids. And this one here, nice metallic blue, really nice looking. Then this one here, quite close to the franchise of Cars. It's really beautiful, nicely made, good quality toys. I've got this one at local Target. And if you like my video, please subscribe to it. Check out my next unboxing videos. I'll be unboxing more toys. Yeah, and have a great day.